How do I make a single legend for many subplots? I am plotting the same type of information, but for different countries, with multiple subplots with matplotlib. That is, I have 9 plots on a 3x3 grid, all with the same for lines, of course, different values per line. However, I have not figured out how to put a single legend, since all 9 subplots have the same lines, on the figure just once. How do I do that?
There is also a nice function get_legend_handles_labels you can call on the last axis. If you iterate over them, that would collect everything you need from label equals arguments.
Figlegend may be what you're looking for. matplotlib.pyplot.figlegend. An example is at Figure Legend Demo. Another example. Or.
TL, drive. I have noticed that none of the other answers displays an image with a single legend referencing many curves in different subplots, so I have to show you one. To make you curious. Now, if I've teased you enough, here it is the code. If you want to stick with the official Matplotlib API, this is perfect, otherwise see note number 1 below, there is a private method. The 2 lines deserve an explanation, see note 2 below. I tried the method proposed by the most upvoted and accepted answer. And this is what I've got. Note 1. If you don't mind using a private method of the matplotlib.legend module, it's really much easier. Note 2. I have encapsulated the 2 tricky lines in a function, just 4 lines of code, but heavily commented. I recognize that some list_of_lists is a really inefficient method to flatten a list of lists, but one I love its compactness, 2 usually is a few curves and a few subplots and 3 matplotlib and efficiency? Smile.
For the automatic positioning of a single legend in a figure with many axes, like those obtained with subplots, the following solution works really well. With bbox_to_anchor and bbox_transform equals plt.gcf.transfigure, You are defining a new bounding box of the size of your figure to be a reference for lock. Using 0, -0.111 moves this bounding box slightly downwards to prevent the legend to be placed over other artists. Odds: use this solution after you use fig.set_size_inches and before you use fig.type_layout.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.